family are safe and healthy. None of us has experienced this pandemic before. In the wake of one morning, all of a sudden the morning wasn't as usual as of routine. Suddenly people were asked to cover their mouth, suddenly people were being made aware of the hygiene, people were asked to stay indoors, and suddenly the term social distancing spoke to humanity very loud and clear. Students were anxious about the examinations and the parents were concerned about the academic progress of the students, and the biggest question causing havoc was what will the kids do now at home all the day long. Amongst all this chaos, medical experts and government agencies were giving safety guidelines to follow, and then the day came when we were separated from the lifeline of our school, our students. The school indeed looked lifeless. But for us, apart from taking care of academics, keeping a check on the emotional quotient of our learners was also important. We took to the technological platforms, making use of all the resources available, shared presentations, videos to reach our learners. Feedback from the parents made us realize that it is neither the whiteboard or the blackboard, but it is the teachers that can create magic. Academically speaking, we have been putting up videos every alternate day and even on regular days related to our curriculum to make sure that the time and the opportunities we have don't go waste. This is also a great way for our students to learn about time management, which will help them in their future endeavors. As we look back at the past few days, I am pleased and extremely impressed with the way teachers rose to the occasion and accepted the challenges posed by the lockdown. Despite initial hiccups, teachers soon made friends with gadgets and started conducting online classes for the students to ensure fruitful utilization of their time. We are doing our best to provide schoolwork to keep our students' minds moving forward. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding as we have been trying, like you all, to the drastic changes in life during last few weeks. I am extremely appreciative of all our students, parents and teachers for their positivity, flexibility and resilience during these trying times. As you know, distance learning for the VSPKJ is in full motion. Our goal is to provide continuous educational opportunities and practice for the students while schools are closed, but also to eliminate as much as stress as feasibly possible for our students. The VSPKJ family of students, parents, educators and all other stakeholders has quickly risen to the occasion as usual. We would like to thank everyone
for your continued support. Your letters of appreciation have helped our staff stay motivated during these challenging times. We have realized the value of technology as an important tool to stay connected with our students and will make constructive use of it in future too. We look forward to more fruitful interactions and feedback from you. Our main focus has been having a growth mindset. A growth mindset unlocks our ability to learn and grow, especially during challenging times. Because of this experience and our growth mindset, I believe we all will be stronger when we come out on the other side of the COVID pandemic. History is being written. We hold the pen together. We will write the best story
about our academic plans during this lockdown period. Academic programs classes 4 to 12. Our senior school have been in contact with the students through online classes. We are giving them the assessments also on the regular basis, and on the basis of those assessments, the results are being taken out and the remedial classes are also being conducted by the teachers. On the other hand, we feel very happy because we have received a lot of appreciation from all of you. It is indeed a matter of pride for all of us that the students are benefiting from these online classes. For classes nursery to 3rd, like academic programs for classes nursery to 3rd, our dedicated teachers have been sending the video links, recorded lesson plans, all the study material to the students along with the regular exercise schedule prepared by our sports department. Also, the students are given skill-based assessments, cognitive, scientific, thinking-based skills prepared by our dedicated teachers.
Summer break will be observed for all our learners 1st June 2020 onwards till 30th June for pre-primary to grade 8th. For grade 9th onwards, reopening of school will be announced as per government instructions. The purpose of both online and technology-free assignments is to provide continuous educational opportunities and practice for students while schools are closed. During the school closure, teachers have provided distance learning assignments. Lessons were assigned weekly basis, and the lessons were also provided through Zoom with technology access. Alternative lessons and assignments were also available through the teachers as needed.
All technology-free assignment paper copies will be collected when students return and check for the completion. Again, please keep all the completed assignment to be returned in when school resumes or on a date designated by the principal. Second thing, continue to check your emails daily for the updates and information. Third thing, you can also call the school and leave a message for your teachers or the principal. Fourth thing, your invaluable feedbacks and inputs are key to the school growth and success.
Meanwhile, please study the online material provided to you by the teachers on your YouTube channel. We will share any updates as and when required. We hope your child found the previous tasks, assignments and the study material provided very useful. Written work and assignments. To complete the new tasks and assignments, the student may use the registers, notebooks or the papers as mentioned. If the student wishes to do the assignments on the computer, he or she is most welcome to do so.
नमस्कार। सा विद्या या विमुक्ति, ये उक्ति आप सबने सुनी होगी। ये उक्ति हमें दर्शाती है कि हमारे जीवन में विद्या का कितना महत्व है। विद्या सभी रोगों से, सभी दुखों से, सभी दुर्गुणों से विमुक्त करती है और विद्या हमें ज्ञान प्रदान करती है। ज्ञान से हमारे अंदर विवेक उत्पन्न होता है जो हमें विषम परिस्थितियों में सही और गलत का निर्णय करने के लिए, चुनाव करने के लिए हमें क्षमता उत्पन्न करता है। लेकिन ज्ञान कैसा होना चाहिए? ज्ञान वो होना चाहिए जो प्रामाणिक हो और
Virus dominate the news. India is still under lockdown period. It has been classified as a pandemic. Extreme action are being taken by the government. We should be more aware than usually about washing your hands, use sanitizer, use mask, and also avoid touching face after touching any other public facilities. We should avoid large crowded place. We may have to cut down our entertainment activities also. Avoid unnecessary travels. Carry on with normal lives, but simple need to do with precautions. Medical experts have advised that we need to keep 3 feet distance from other when in a public place. Eat at home more than ordering from restaurant. If we experience with flu-like symptoms, it is advisable to consult a doctor.
Apart from these, there are 2 P's that are extremes to be avoided. The first is presumption. We need to act with prudence and not presumption. Presuming it won't affect you is somewhere a sign that pride is exercising in you, and pride leads to downfall. Therefore, it is rightly said, better late than never. Better safe than sick. The second is panic. Panic is a fear, and fear is the absence of faith. Having faith in our medical experts, doctors, including the government, will in many ways take care of panic. Above all, have faith in God. God has given each one of us a spirit of boldness and not fear, and it will make us succeed. Together we can. Thank you.
Dear parents, good morning. This is very challenging time for all of us, but we have to ensure that our students and our children do not miss the academics at the same time. So for that, we ensure that our e-learning and our new way of study is continuously going on. So in this lockdown, we can say this is a new normal. We all are warriors and we know how to manage things. I salute you all that you all are managing home and student at the same time, and we are warriors, so we can do it in a better way. We can make friendship with our child and we can make a good bond with them so that they can get a good atmosphere and they can learn in a better way. Thank you.
नमस्कार। लॉकडाउन के इस समय हमारे घरों में हाउसकीपिंग एवं अन्य कार्यों में लगे भैया दीदी एवं हेल्पर्स भी नहीं आ रहे होंगे। क्या आपने कभी ये घरेलू काम करने वाले लोगों के बारे में सोचा है? क्या आपको अच्छा लगेगा अगर यही कार्य खुद आपको दूसरों के घरों में करना पड़े? मैं तो यही कहूँगी कि इस स्वर्णिम समय का उपयोग आप अपनी कलाओं, नई नई आदतों का विकास करने में करें। कमरे की सफाई, बेडिंग क्लीनिंग, बाथरूम वाइपिंग आदि का कार्य स्वयं अपने हाथों से करें। अलमारी से कपड़े निकालना, पुराने कपड़ों को धोना, सुखाना, जूते पॉलिश करना, कॉपी किताबों की डस्टिंग करना इत्यादि कार्य स्वयं करें। इससे न सिर्फ श्रम एवं मेहनत में लगे इन लोगों के प्रति आपके मन में सम्मान पैदा होगा, वरन आपको शारीरिक और मानसिक सुख भी प्राप्त होगा।
Dear children, every situation brings an opportunity. This unlimited time at home due to lockdown is no less than a boon for you. Here your dreams can fly high without any pressure of school and home. There will not be golden opportunity like this again to fulfill your hobbies and interests. You can choose the path to a new future by sharpening your talent, skills and abilities. Let's discuss the small things that you can do. Start your morning with light physical exercise, meditation and yoga. After stretching and joint movements, take your attention for 5 to 10 minutes on breathing and flow of thoughts. If possible, do this activity with closed eyes. While having good memories, in this process of meditation, feel gratitude towards parents, God and gurus. This 10 to 20 minute activity will not only give you physical and mental comfort, but will also help in increasing your concentration, creativity, discipline, patience and memory. You will feel that your stress, anger and irritation also vanished all of a sudden.
Hello everyone, this is Muskan Sethi, Chemistry Faculty at VSPK International School, Jaipur. During these moments of leisure, one must enjoy and learn the art of cooking. You will be very much happier to see that on one fine day when your entire family is sitting at the dining table and enjoying the food prepared by you. That will be the happiest moment of your life. Okay, so and it can be any food. You can do the fireless cooking. The videos, a large number of videos are available on YouTube for your fireless cooking. You can bake the cake, you can make pulses, chapatis. In any of the ways you can help your parents in the cooking and in the kitchen. Okay, and one fact that you must know that all the people in the abroad are doing this same practice because the respect and the price of labor is very high. So during this time we must learn this because it will not only increase your creativity and experimental skills, but it will also make your mood fresh and stress free, and you will feel motivated that you have done something great for your family.
वर्ष भर की कड़ी मेहनत और पढ़ाई के बाद आने वाले ये चंद महीने हमें पता है आप सभी के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं। ये समय होता है दोस्तों के साथ मशगूल रहने का, मम्मी पापा के साथ बाहर जाने के प्लान बनाने का, स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स, समर कैंप्स, सिनेमा हॉल, वाटर पार्क्स, सभी जगह घूमने का। परंतु कोरोना महामारी की वजह से आज जब हमारा पूरा देश इस आपदा के समय में खुद को लॉकडाउन करके घरों में बैठा हुआ है, तो बच्चों मैं आप सबसे एक अनुरोध करूंगी कि देखिए यह 21वीं सदी का समय है जब कौशल और क्षमताओं की पहचान बहुत ही आवश्यक है। तो आप सभी घर में बैठकर अपने कौशल और अपनी क्षमताओं को निखारें और अपने इस समय का सदुपयोग करें।
Morning all of you. The 21st century is a century of capacity building and skill development. Use this time of lockdown to exploit your abilities and develop 21st century skills. Gone are the times when children who bought in 100 out of 100 were the most promising. Skills have now replaced the numbers. Companies and organizations all over the world are now looking for innovator, creator, communicator, thinker, analyzer, leaders, and worker with social skills.
I will appeal to children, parents, and teachers to use this time to develop their abilities. I request parents to involve children in activities that can develop communication skill, leadership, and team spirit. The 21st century skill can be fully developed through theatre, drama, role play, storytelling, reading, writing, game, etc. Create and play scene of mini parliament, court, press conference, panchayat, chopal, classroom, hospital, post office, factory, marketing, sales and bazaar scene at home. Improve your performance again and again by recording their videos. I will also request you definitely promote research in area of your interest. In this holiday situation, there must be some innovation, invention.
The whole world remembers the 21st century as digital revolution. To succeed in this time and stay on the top, we have to keep yourself updated with changing technology every moment. This time of lockdown can be best utilized by using digital means. Other important informations are cyber safety. Sadly, in these times, there are bad people that want to take advantage of us in our new digital distance classroom. We must be diligent in ensuring they are not allowed to invent the world of our children. Please discuss cyber safety with your children and monitor them as much as you can possible. The following is just one of the many online resources available for information how to protect our children.
This is not only the time for children to study online but to connect deeper with their loved families. The Union Ministry of Human Resources is given an opportunity for the public to utilize the lockdown period for reading. The ministry will give free access to the National Digital Library where over 3 crores 82 lakhs books and periodicals will be available to read. The digital version of the books and magazine can be read using any digital device including smartphone, computer or laptop.
People can log on to the digital library website of the ministry ndl.iitkgp.ac.in. Please take full precautions with the ongoing health hazards. Besides various skill-based activities, you should read, watch and listen to short stories with your child. There are certain apps on Google Play and these are for Android users. It is F-Readom. Help children learn to read in English.
We are sure that you all must be fond of reading stories, staying home and following #Stay at Home. National Book Trust of India brings to you some of the selected titles for free download to promote the habit of reading. There are a lot of good books by National Book Trust of India that would be useful for all age groups. To check them out and enjoy your time at home by clicking on the following link.
Online resources for different subjects can be accessed on Google or Chrome. BrainPop, Curiosity Stream, iReady, Udemy, Khan Academy, Discovery Education and Beast Academy, especially for maths, can be accessed on Google. Please spare some time to go through all these.
Hello friends, hope you all are doing well at home and you all are safe. Today I have come with a free learn from home site with 20+ days of learning and activities where you can play lots of board games, read library books, and recycle household junk into some useful thing. Please note down the sites classroommagazines.scholastic.com for reading books. You can even go on a virtual trip to 12 famous museums of the world on www.travelandleisure.com. Besides this, you can also visit allinoneschool.com for thinking activities. I hope with the help of these sites you will enjoy your holidays and have a good time.
More awesome free learning websites that we like to use are www.starfall.com, www.funbrain.com, www.splashlearn.com, www.pbskids.org, www.storylineonline.net, and www.highlightskids.com.
Let us take advantage of the opportunity of lockdown and give the children a chance to smile and realize the dream of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. Lockdown a golden opportunity for education.
Dear parents, I hope you all are staying safe at home. I would urge all the parents to pay their dues, and those who have already paid, please accept my humble gratitude and a big thanks to help us with the continued efforts to the teaching learning process. I would also like to applaud and thank you for the parents who, despite of being in hard time, magnanimously continued to pay their school fee to ensure that the system does not get collapsed and the school employees get their salaries in time. The school completely understands the financial implication of the lockdown, and therefore it has been decided that the parents can continue to follow the old fee structure, that is fees paid in 2019-20 until the normalcy is restored. Looking forward for your continued support. Thank you.
Let's fight with efforts and with hope. VSPKs are being shaped to become a productive and a proud citizen of our nation. VSPKs are always very up to date, and they shaped and they morally taught as a person who is very upgraded and who is always upgraded with the technology. So we believe in achieving things and we believe in ourselves. So by the grace of God and with the blessings of our chairman sir and with the help of our management, we achieve all these things, and ideally we emerge very stronger. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.